What?
A tornado watch has been issued for Chattanooga.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm ready just now, just starting to tear this building down.
Okay.
Tried and true Larry, you're just solid rock star, old school kind of dude, man. I'm not calling you old, but just the way you operate. You're not scared to work. You're here every day. When you say you can't make it in, there's no question of what's going on. If I had 10 people like you, I wouldn't need anybody else. I mean, all I need is 10 people like you, and I'd have a company I'd never grow. There's not many people in the company I've ever respected as much as I've respected you for whatever reason. I mean, past that, if I could just have 10 people like you, that's where I'd stop.
I've got this truck sold. Jason's worked on it so long that we've got to clean the rat's nest and everything out of the engine.
Look,
Because
I
it's
got
sat here that long.
No, it's got to sit here long enough for me to forward my mail and be able to get it at my new address.
Right. So yeah, that's yeah, pretty much. So I've got a couple other trucks sold, and the guys will be here at 9. So I'm trying to get everybody going. I've got one crew going to go to Silverdale and install some pea gravel and some river rock around the building. Get our equipment staged for next week there, and then I'm going to try to get a demo done today. That's where Larry is headed to now. Trailer demo. I'm sure you'll go out there and get some video of that. That's really all we've got going on for today because of the weather that's moving in. It's going to hit us about 11, looks like. Tie together, like transform. Like I said, the meters. Alright. Bye.
Give us a little update about what's going on with the electricity.
Well, as far as I know, the wires coming out of the meter are still hooked up to the trailer. So if I go tearing the trailer down, there's a chance I could pull the meter off the pole. It's still live. I went inside, all the breakers are all on, and there's no power into it, but he's trying to come in here.
So we had to call the power company to come in and double check that the power was off. Didn't get too much footage of him because he specifically asked not to be on camera, but he went and cut all the lines connected to the trailer.
Yeah, it's done. I'm fixing to get started. He just left. It just started raining. What?
A tornado watch has been issued for Chattanooga.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm ready just now, just starting to tear this building down.
Okay.
begins to tear into the exterior porch, we begin separating the metals from the trash. Was the storm bad back in Chat?
Oh yeah, some roads were flooded over on Mckinnley. A tree was down. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, it was raining like crazy here, but never got too wild.
The wiper stopped working, had to stop for a minute.
Bye-bye couch. After completely filling up the first can, Jeremy arrives with the dump truck and we're ready to continue on with this demo. After moving along a little bit, we came across the washer and dryer, which we noticed was fairly new. So we spoke with the client who's currently purchasing this property, and he wanted us to pull these to the side and save them as possible. So we definitely took the time to grab them, stick them inside the shed, and then we got right back to work.
Brad or call Jason. Hell, I don't know. Just let me know what's going on.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. With the late start that we got with the rain, unfortunately we did not have time to finish this demo all in one day, so we began to prep the site for tomorrow as day turned to night. All right, so where are we? What do we have going on, Ethan?
We're on day 2 of this demo. I'm out here to cut that metal frame up under the trailer. Larry's loading stuff into the roll-offs. Cody's driving the roll-off. We're at the, what's this road? Harold Circle. Harold Circle. Should knock it out today, hopefully.
So you are gonna have to cut the frame. The owner was asking about that.
That's what, yeah. Because Larry said there's not enough room for him to fold it up because they want to keep that shed over there. So they left all their stuff in here though, so there's a whole bunch of stuff there.
So Larry,
Zach.
how many times are we cutting the frame?
Just gonna make it just where I can get it in the truck. Probably one cut there. Probably 15 foot another cut. Cut it off in front of the axle and I get all that off. And I get that up. I gotta pull the tires off of it.
Okay, nice.
Take them at the dump. All over my bed.
Alright guys, little update. We had a small little mess up in the saw we were using to cut the frame of the trailer. When we filled it up with gas, we didn't put any oil in it because it was a 2-stroke and it probably shouldn't have happened, but it happened. So I'm currently on the way to the dealership, about to pick up a new saw, some new blades, and a little bit of gas oil mix. All right, quick update. We ran down to the Walters A. Wood to get a saw, and they were completely sold out of anything demo saw related. So now we're running back downtown Chattanooga to the Ace Hardware on Broad Street, and hopefully they can hook us up. Well, Ace Hardware was also out of the demo saw, so going to Ram Tools now. Hopefully 3rd time's the charm. All right, boys, You see her back there, the Husqvarna. But it looks like a good saw and Brad seems happy, so we're on the way back. Minor setback for a major comeback, but here at Mckinnley, we get the job done. Told the client we're gonna get it done today, so we're gonna get it done. Stay tuned. So after that hour-and-a-half ordeal of finding a new saw, we get back to the job site and the team has made a bunch of progress, basically moving all the trash and leaving only the frame. So Larry starts to put the new saw together and we get right back into the action. So at any demo site, once we're done, we always will throw some grass seed and then cover it with hay to ensure that the client gets a healthy lawn back from the damage that we did create tearing it down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other video that's going to be right here, and as always, like and subscribe.